Alright, so let me take a trade and see how the trade will be recorded and classified within the tool. So I'll do my usual weekly trade where I'm going here, usually go 90 days, so I'll go 101 days and sell a put here on yes. Let me 19, this is what I'm kind of looking at. Let's try to get 1925, selling one put at 4700 strike. Let's review and send, and let's see if we can be filled or not. Activity, it looks like we're not going to get it, so let's replace with 19 and we should get it. Alright, filled, and I usually sell PDS, put debit spread, or buy a put debit spread 90 days as well, so let's go 81, 35 delta. I usually go 75 wide because I'm going to, so I'll probably go here, just make sure I'm not overlapping with existing trades. I do 2 of these, $16, review and send. Probably need to pay a bit more. Activity, I'll replace with 1650, send the, and we are filled. So now we'll go over the tool and see how it looks like. So let's review the tool now, and in order to pull in data, all you need to do is pretty much click on Tastytrade and get new transaction. So you can see the latest transaction was on 7th of June. So let's give it a shot, add new transactions. Here we are, you can see transactions are getting pulled in, and automatically, because these are opening trades, we will see that we have the opportunity to categorize these trades. So you have two options. Either you do it right now, and you can select the type of trade. In this case, this is a short put within this specific strategy here, and this is a put debit spread. So this is one way of doing it, or you could do it later on if you don't want to be bothered and do it right now. You can close that and get it to the menu. I'll do it right away. So I'll categorize my trades. Here we are, this is done, and as you can see, if I scroll to the right hand side, this will be the categorization here. And last but not least, if you didn't do this, and you can click on classify transaction. Obviously there is nothing to classify anymore, but this would bring up the menu again if you wanted to. That's how you get new trades in the tool with the Tastytrade, add new transactions.